Oh, well, I've figured out how to do the air filter. This is sort of placed, the cover on like this. I was trying to tug at this bit here. There are these two prongs here at the side here. You just press them down and the thing pops off. So what I need to do is now undo this bolt, and this should technically slide out sideways. So once you undo that screw, you just pull on this little tab here, and the whole housing just sort of pulls out. Now this filter is fairly grubby, but in no way means is it restricting the airflow to the engine. And to be honest, it looks nice and clean on the inside. In there it looks not bad as well. So what I'm going to do is just give this bottom bit a bit of a wipe. Just like Chris Fix would say. Out with the old. And in with the new. Here. So with the new air filter, you've just got to slide it in the opposite way that you took the old one out. And then you just got to let it go in between the two grooves. There's one runner on the top and one on the bottom. Now just sort of run your hand in and just push it down evenly. And you can just feel the foam padding on this side press against the wall. And as you're just pressing it down, look through here. Just see if the holes line up, which this one does. So, lovely jubbly, now that it's all squished in, you just got to grab small Allen. Oh, I don't know the size of this, I just literally found it, guessed it, and it worked. You just got to pop it in there. Just do it up. Easy as that, mate. Literally easy as that. What's going on here as well is that there's a little tab at the other side, and you may think, oh, you're only doing it up on one side. What's going to happen to the filter? Why won't it just fly out or drop out or slowly slide out on one end? Well, there's a little tab on the other end, right? And it pushes in somewhere at the side. So if I try and pull this out now, you see, you may think, oh, well, it won't budge here, but it will start to push out at the end. Oh, mate, that's not going anywhere. That is solid. Nice and in there. So, as you can see there, brand new filter installed. Easy as that.